Hey YouTube, this is Charlie guys, and today a quick, well, unboxing of knives. If you guys have been following me, you know this has been my knife that I used to unbox. I know a lot of people don't like to see this. They're like, oh man, it's too big to do unboxing. I just freak out. I just mess around with this a lot. I got this about 2 years ago. I got this from Harbor Freight. I paid, I think it's $8.99 at Harbor Freight. This is an 8-inch survival hunting knife. It comes where you can unscrew the bottom of it. There's some stuff. Oh, here it is. So this has a compass underneath there, underneath the head, and then you have some fishing line in there, match. You have some safety pins, threads. It look like needles and stuff in there, so you're really gonna need these if you get lost in the wilderness. So this has been my unboxing knife. My daughter have been using this, and we have been doing a lot of unboxing on this channel. So for those of you who follow me, you might have seen these, and even my daughter sometimes play around with it. It's just a gimmick we use. It's still sharp. We never cut anything with it except tape with it. So these have been our favorite unboxing knife. So these are the Tac-force spring assisted open skull skeleton claw folding pocket knife. A long name, I know. I got this on Amazon for $9.75, $10 on Amazon. Really nice. Check this out, guys. Skeleton claw knife on there. Right here you can see that little elongated area right at the back here. That's where you just have it. You just hold your finger there and you just flip it open. This is really nice, man. This is really cool. I'm liking this. To close it, right here on the side here, you just push your finger in here and you close that. That's it. But to open it, so again, this is from Tac-force. We got this on Amazon, $10. This one I got from a store down the street. It's an army surplus store. I think I paid about the same price, about $10. I think it was $8 for these. This has flaming heads. You can see red flaming heads on that side with skulls, and on the other side there you have also black flaming head with skulls on there. You also have that area here where you can put it in your pocket. So you have in your pocket you have this clip area right here. You can just clip it in your pocket right here. And the same thing like the last one. You just right here, you're ready to go. And right at the end here, you just push it down, and that's how because it's still locked in place. So when you flip it open, it get locked right here. So if you look right in the corner here, if you can see it, guys, you just have to kind of flip it to the side. It kind of unlock it, and you just close it down. Really nice. So these are the zombie hunter knives. Again on Amazon for $8.38, $9. Really nice. Check this out. Kind of almost the same style. You can see that they're keeping the same style like this, so it's kind of almost the same. You have those two areas there to unlock it like this. This is really, I'm liking this. And same thing here, the end here, you just push it in to break it back and put it in. Nice little green logo right here. You have your clip on the side here that you can clip it to your pocket on the side or onto your belt. Really cool. And again, beep. These are about the same size. You can see these are about the same size. These are about 8 inches long when open, and when you close them, they should be about 5 inches. So yeah, when you close them, they close about 4.5 to 5 inches. So pretty cool. These are 5 1/4 double blade folding knives. Really good for killing zombies. If you want to get up that close to the zombies. If the zombies are those that bite in and then you turn into a zombie, you don't want to get too close. You want something like a machete, which I'm getting soon. But if they're just zombies that, you know, you can really go and kill them up and kill them, and they kind of really spread the disease to you, the zombie disease, then this is gonna be really cool. You can Tac-force tactical double blade folding knife, black handle, wrap, wow, man, and that you hold it right, so you can, or like this, I guess. I don't know, I shouldn't have done that. Really cool. And they close almost identical to these down there. You just press and close, press right in there, unlock and close. Pretty nice. I'm liking this. Really nice, really nice grip. Look like it's really well made. I mean, it's not that light, you know. Again, these are from Tac-force, and these are $8.95, $9 for this. These are arrow blades. On Amazon for a 2-pack set, you're gonna pay $10.33. These are the Jack the Ripper knives. But this is a 4 set. Now I picked these up from a store down the street called Common Post. It's an Army surplus store. So probably most Army surplus store carry those kind of knives, I'm guessing. I like how the colors go all the way down to the blade on there. So this is like I said, it's a pack of 4 Jack the Ripper knives, red, yellowish, greenish, bluish color. And like I said, I got this from the Army surplus store. So all these are gonna be just my opening. These are just knives that I'm gonna use just to open boxes and stuff when I'm doing unbox reviews. So here we go. A lot of knives for our knife collection. So when we do our unboxing, each unboxing we can do a different one. And I have some more knives coming. I have some bigger ones, and I don't know if I should call them knives. They're gonna be between knives and machetes. And I also have some machetes coming too. So check out some more reviews on knives, I guess. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.